Good morning. This is day 5. So, on day 5, when I woke up, I took some great affirmations like I'm son of God, I can do anything, everybody is my friend, and this is my wonderful day. Today is going to an awesome and amazing day. I'm happy and I'm amazing. So, all those thoughts are my creation, and this is my power. So, once I understood the power of that happiness, everything is in your hand, so you will get peace of mind, you get full control, feel confident that you can change your life the way you want. So after just doing the meditation, I did the meditation, and today is kind of understand that the meditation helps you to be in a relaxed state, to think gently in a tough conditions, you can say the conditions which are not in your hand. So it gives you the power to accept that thing, and you can introspect what's in your hand, and you will do, if you do what's in your hand, that will give you the peace of mind, didn't you? It will. So after accepting what is in my hand, and again I'm going to write my gratitude list, but I'm thankful for this day and every last 5 days. So what happens in the 5th day, your body chemistry starts to change, right? You will start to feel like there will be a lot of energy, and there's a feeling of accomplishment when you wake up early, and also your body chemistry is changing. This is what I want to say. So don't go into the feelings, just keep on doing it. And if you feel kind of irritated and everything, to keep your body properly hydrated in the morning, eat fruits because it increases your metabolism. Okay, I keep saying this from the last videos, but keep yourself hydrated and eat fruits, eat good vegetables. See, those people who wake up early, they need to take care of all those things, because if you are not doing, then your mind is actually your biggest enemy and the greatest friend. So how it becomes the enemy? When he will see nothing is happening, why we are waking up early, it's better to sleep. Because you need to understand, the mind nature is like a baby. It's like a small baby. He wants quick everything. He wants like, just give me quickly and fast. So you need to tell him the benefits as well. You need to tell him what you are gaining till day 1 to day 5. If you are not counting your blessings, so chances are your mind will go into the granted stage. The granted stage is what? In granted stage, we start taking the things grantedly. Now it's happening, we can now able to wake up. No, just try to think how much effort you are putting, and do it with love. If you want to remove the effort part, if you are feeling like so much effort you are doing, just do it with love. Do it with why you are doing. Just revise your why. The big why is important. Why you are waking up early, to be in a good mental state, to have a good body, right, and full of confidence, and doing the things to get extra time. Just write down some of the benefits, so that you can revise each day. Okay, so once you revise each day, and on the 30th day or something, it becomes the natural patterns to you. Also use some list, like what are you doing throughout the day. So in the night you have to write your to-do list. So you can write in a visual planner I have built, where you can see your mental health, your physical health, relationships, what are you doing in the business. So everything you will get the big picture of what you need to do, what need to be done throughout the day. So you will not get confused, and by taking the full picture, you can take a wise decisions, you can make good decisions. So let's start and do some exercise and write gratitude list. And this is what I wanted to share. So don't go into the feelings or pain. What are you feeling? Don't get attached with the feeling. Keep on doing and enjoy this journey, love this journey, because you are doing a great move, which you need to be grateful for yourself for taking these steps. And be visualize your goal in the morning, what you wanted to achieve, because visualization power, use the visualization power. Okay, the tools which you have, like you have mobile or you have a good computer and you're not using it, So whose fault? It's your fault. It has been given to you. Similarly, God has given to you visualization power, thought power. So use it deliberately to create your life in abundance, and think in abundance, live in abundance. So first think, do, and be in living state. You need to shift your consciousness from thinking to living in anything which you are thinking. Suppose you want to grow in your business, or you grow your personal life or your relationship. Whatever you are thinking, first do it quickly. Do it quickly, and if it's worthy enough and it's win-win situation for everybody, then take the action step. You no need to worry about whole staircase. Just take the first step in courage. The courageous person makes the majority. Even courage is the kind of the biggest, I can say, not biggest, we can not add est. It's kind of awesome virtue in a list, which is responsible, like himmat ka pehla kadam, right? In Hindi we call it. So you need courage to have patience, right? To have patience in particular situation. Let's be patient in this situation. So what you are saying, let's be in patience. This is what you are saying. Let's be courageous to take a patience. This is what you are actually saying in the background of your mind. So be courageous. Life shrinks and expands in proportion to one's courage. So just understand the courageous person makes the majority, and live your day. So in day 5 I'm really enjoying, and I'm gaining that energy. And also I just wanted to share one beautiful thing with you, and that thing is yesterday I went to one clinic, and I checked my blood pressure. So throughout the day, when I wake up 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. I feel so energetic and awesome. But after that I feel kind of lazy. So also I'm taking a one hour nap in the afternoon. But what I found, he told me your BP is low, blood pressure is low. So why it's happening? Because I am not taking my body water. There is less intake of water inside me, and so so what can be checked can be changed. Just remember this point. What can be checked, don't go into fear stage, because fear is what is fear? Fear is just the absence of knowledge. So if you got the knowledge that you can correct, this is the thing. So see, this is a signal for me to improve. And if I took with courage, I can change by taking according to BMI index, body mass index. I need to take care of my body weight and water intake, and it will complete. It will be awesome. So this I wanted to share. Those who are feeling some sort of tiredness or kind of dullness throughout the day, just increase your water intake and you will feel awesome, because your body has produced a lot of toxics as well in the 24 hours. So you need to flush out each of the toxics so that you feel awesome and you feel more productive in your work. Okay. Ultimately aim is you need to be happy whatever is happening, no matter what is happening, no matter what. So just churn in your mind we need to have to be happy state no matter what is happening, because by being in happy state I can handle the situation more gently, more amazingly. I can think better in silence with peace of mind if I used to do anything.